Insects Making Activity Class 2. Hey there, little learners! Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of insects. Insects are a group of animals that have 6 legs, 3 body parts, and a hard outer shell called an exoskeleton. They're found all around the world, and they play a crucial role in our ecosystem. Did you know that there are over 1 million species of insects? That's a lot of little critters! Insects come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny flea to the giant beetle. Some insects, like butterflies, have beautiful wings, while others, like ants, have strong jaws. Insects are important pollinators, helping plants to grow and produce fruit. They also help to break down dead plants and animals, recycling nutrients back into the soil. So, next time you see an insect, remember that they're not just bugs. They're fascinating creatures that play a vital role in our world. Thanks for joining us on this insect adventure. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting lessons.